Swami Nikhileshwaranand is a BTech in Chemical Engineering and a postgraduate in Industrial Engineering. However, in 1976, he renounced the material world to join the Swami Vivekananda mission. Swamiji is an educator at heart, having founded schools and training institutions in Gujarat. He is committed to world peace, happiness of mind in everyday life. Swamiji is a much sought after speaker in many international conferences for his views on interreligious dialogue. If you would like to watch more such quality videos, please subscribe to Vishwashanti Darshan, a channel dedicated to world peace. Please don't forget to press the bell icon.
Lecture series on this peace and taking this topic as culture of peace, because that is the need of the hour. Not only need of the hour, if we don't do it, if we delay it, we will be in for destruction. And when we go for destruction, it will be total destruction. Einstein was asked, what do you think about the Third World War? He said, I can't say anything about Third World War, but I can say something about Fourth World War. He said, I don't know what will happen after Third World War, but the Fourth World War will be fought with stones and sticks, because the whole world civilization would have been vanished completely. We have weapons which can vanish, which can destroy the whole civilization, whole world, humanity, 8 times. Such weapons are there. It is at this juncture, when this lecture series in the name of UNESCO chair, UNESCO has written a preamble. Since wars begin in the mind of people, it is the minds of people that the defense measures must be constructed. That is why the need of such type of conferences, such type of dialogues, and such type of interactions, which is very necessary. Imam Sahib is sitting with me. What a great sight. This is India. This is the real India. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That is our idea. Ekam Sadvipra Bahuda Vadanti. That is the ancient Indian ideal, which we are forgetting, which we will have to review. And in that, Dr. Vishwanath Karad is making such a great attempts, for which he is to be congratulated. Now, UNESCO has also, when he told about it, I will tell you one more beautiful thing which was told by Dr. Josiah Oldfield during the Second World War, when there was a treaty going on. He said, more wars are caused by bad-tempered people trying to discuss peace measures, bad-tempered people trying to talk about peace measures, rather than good-tempered people trying to discuss about war measures. So it is only what you talk is not important, but what you practice. Swami Vivekananda, when he started Ramakrishna Mission in 1897, he made a rule. Every member, whether lay or monastic, has to give a written declaration that I will respect all religions and I will not have any disregard for any religion, and I will look upon all religions as same, as was preached and proved by Sri Ramakrishna in his life. He practiced, first of all, Hinduism. He worshipped Kali, Rama, Krishna, Durga. Then he had vision of Rama, Krishna. Then he had Tantric sadhana. Then he went to Advaita sadhana. Then he practiced Islam. At the end of the Islam sadhana, he had the vision of Muhammad, Prophet Muhammad. Then he practiced Christianity. At the end of Christianity sadhana, he had the vision of Christ. And then he came to the conclusion, as many faiths, so many paths. There are so many paths, but all leading to the same goal. Manzil ek hai, रास्ते अलग अलग हैं. And he used to give a beautiful simile. Shri Ramakrishna used to give a beautiful simile. एक तालाब है, उसके 4 घाट हैं. एक घाट के पास जाकर के हिंदू जाकर के बोलता है, मैं तो जल ले आया. दूसरे घाट से मुसलमान जाके बोलता है, नहीं नहीं भाई, मैं तो पानी ले आया. तीसरे घाट से क्रिश्चियन जाके बोलता है, नहीं नहीं, मैं तो वाटर ले आया. चौथे घाट से चौथा जाता है, बोलता नहीं, मैं तो एक्वा ले आया. अरे भाई, झगड़ा क्यों करते हो? उसी का नाम जल, उसी का नाम पानी, उसी का नाम वाटर, उसी का नाम एक्वा. साइंटिस्ट लोगों को पूछोगे, भले H2O है, नाम जो दे दो, H2O. दिस इज द रियल थिंग. एक परम सत्य है जिसको कोई अल्लाह बोलता है, कोई गॉड बोलता है, कोई राम बोलता है, कृष्ण बोलता है, नाम अलग अलग है, मंजिल एक है, रास्ते अलग अलग हो सकते हैं, जिसको जो रास्ता अच्छा लगे। तो श्री रामकृष्ण देव ने इसी बात को कहा, जो तो मौत तो पथ, जितने मत उतने पथ, एज मेनी फेथ्स सो मेनी paths, and this is what Swami Vivekananda declared in the Parliament of Religions in Chicago in 1893, that all religions lead to the same goal. So let us have respect towards all religions. Let us not hate any religious person. This is what is the need of the hour if we want to really bring about a global civilization and if we want to bring about peace. Now talking about the mental peace, हमारे मन की शांति के बारे में, क्योंकि जब हमारे मन में शांति आएगी तब परिवार में शांति होगी, परिवार में शांति होगी तो समाज में शांति होगी, समाज में शांति होगी तो देश में शांति होगी, देश में शांति होगी तो विश्व में शांति होगी। सो वी हैव टू वर्क बोथ वेज। जैसा कि हम लोग इंटरफेथ हार्मोनी, तो वी विल वर्क इट आउट, we'll work it out. Interfaith harmony, how to work it out? There are many methods, but other methods will not work. Only one method will work, that is respecting all religions as equally true. That only will work. First method is blacksmith method. Blacksmith method जानते हैं? एक कहानी आप जानते होंगे, एक लोहार था, वो काम कर रहा था, तो उसने अपने लड़के को कहा, देख भाई, यहाँ बहुत मक्खियाँ हैं, मेरे सिर पर मक्खियाँ ना बैठे देखना, क्योंकि लोहा गर्म होता है तब मुझे हथौड़े से मारना पड़ता है, तो मक्खियाँ ना आए तो याद, ऐसा ध्यान रखना। लड़के ने कहा बिल्कुल चिंता मत कीजिए, और देखा एक मक्खी उनके सिर पर, पिताजी के सिर पर बैठी है। तुरंत उसने हथौड़ा लिया और जोर से मारा, मक्खी भी मर गई, पिताजी भी मर गए। यह है ब्लैकस्मिथ मेथड। हमारे युवक लोग बोलते हैं रिलीजन के कारण इतना सब दंगा वगैरह होता है, तो रिलीजन को छोड़ो ना, लेट अस गिव से गुड बाय टू रिलीजन। स्वामी विवेकानंद कहते हैं, इफ यू टेक आउट रिलीजन फ्रॉम ह्यूमैनिटी, व्हाट विल रिमेन? ए फॉरेस्ट ऑफ ब्रूट्स। केवल जंगल बचेगा कुछ पशुओं का। यदि मनुष्य के जीवन में से धर्म चला गया तो पशु के समान हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आहार निद्रा भय मैथुनंच सामान्य में तत् पशु भिन्नराणाम धर्मो ही तेषाम अधिको विशेषः धर्मेण हिना पशु भी समाना। You will become animals. Do we want to become animals?